Hello guys, there are two apps that will help you import products from Amazon to Shopify. One is free and another one is paid, okay? But both offer free trials if you just want to import products quickly, and you can just remove the app. This video is for you. Let's get started right now. Now I'm going to go to Shopify, and what you guys need to do, you want to log in. So I have tried both these apps, so that's why I'm making this video. I want to show you guys how you can do that yourself. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left and click on apps and sales channels. Click on Shopify App Store, and then you want to download this app. It's called Robo. Okay, just search for Robo here in the search results, and then this is the app. Just download it from Shopify App Store, then click on install. Click again on install. And after you download the app, what you guys need to do, you want to search for Robo Chrome extension. Just download the extension. Okay, no, this is not the extension. Yeah, this is the extension, by the way. It's called the Robo Product Importer. And then click on add to Chrome. Make sure you add it to Chrome, and make sure after you download the extension, you want to click on the extensions icon in the top here, right? And then you want to pin the extension. Just click on this pin button next to the extension, and then you will be able to see the extension here. Now what you guys need to do, you want to go to Amazon, find any product on Amazon, doesn't really matter. By the way, this app literally helps you like import products from any website, not only Amazon. You can also import products from your own Shopify store or your friend's Shopify store to your own Shopify store. Literally any product, you can just find the product, click on the product, and then click on the Robo app, click on add to Shopify, and then it will do just that. Doesn't matter what website you are in, Amazon, AliExpress, your own website, random website, it can import products. It can import the product to your own store. But the only problem with this app is it makes some mistakes. Okay, so after you are sure that everything is accurate, everything is correct, click on add product to Shopify. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. The price here, you can just add here the price, the product tags here, and this description. This is the description. The images, this is the images. Now after that, you want to click on add product to Shopify. It says here product imported successfully. I'm going to check. As you can see, the product is successfully imported to my own Shopify store. Okay, but like I said, this app is not 100% accurate. It makes mistakes. The second app, which is 100%, it imports the product perfectly. This app, let me show you the name of the app. Just go again to Shopify App Store and then search for Importify. Okay, this is the app. Now this app literally helps you import all the data from the product to your own Shopify store. Like even if the product has multiple variants, multiple colors, multiple sizes, this app will do just that. So just download the app again. Go to the open a new tab and search for Importify extension. Okay, and this is the extension. Make sure you add it to your Chrome. Again, click on extension icon and then pin it in the top. After you pin the extension, now go to any Amazon products, okay? And what you need to do, you want to click on the extension, and then you want to click on import now. Keep in mind that you will have to pay for this app. It only gives you 1 day free trial, okay? So after you click that, it will then import. Make sure if you want to use this app for Amazon, because other like platforms like AliExpress, you will be able to like import without any problem. But this, the only thing with like from Amazon to Shopify, you will have to upgrade to premium plan. Okay, premium plan here. If you click on upgrade now, I will show you how much you will pay per month, which is $27. But you can just use free trial 1 day and select it here. Just select free trial, click selected. I'm going to use that right now, and then you can import all the products, and you can take advantage of that. Okay, now make sure before 1 day you have to remove it, okay, so that they don't charge you So yeah, that's exactly how it works. Now you just need to log in into your account here on Importify, and then you will be able to start importing from Amazon to eBay. Like I said, make sure you remove the app after you import all the products to your own Shopify store. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments what are your questions, and I try to reply to everyone. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.